How to fix all Bluetooth connecting error. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open your Windows. Then simply search Bluetooth on the search bar and turn on Bluetooth. After you've turned on your Bluetooth, click on Add Bluetooth or other device at the top. Then you'll find these options. Select the device you want to add and you will find it in here. Another thing what you can do is open settings. In settings, click on update and security. In here on the left side, click on troubleshoot. After you click on troubleshoot, click on additional troubleshooters, which will lead you to this page. In here, click on Bluetooth and click on run the troubleshooter. It will run the troubleshooter, and if there is any problem, it will fix it by detecting the problem. After you've done that, another thing what you can do is open device manager and expand Bluetooth in here. Then simply right click on Intel wireless Bluetooth, which is your wireless Bluetooth. Then click on update driver and click on search automatically for drivers. It will search best drivers for you. And last thing what you need to do is close all the tab of device manager, then search services. In services, search for Bluetooth support service and right click on Bluetooth support service. Click on properties. After you're in the properties, make sure the startup type is automatic. After you've done that, at the bottom, click on start and then apply. And this is how to fix all Bluetooth connecting error in Windows. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.